Nothing is superior to the taste of the Super Mai Tai. We warn you, this is not a drink for amateurs. To make a grown-up version of the classic rum drink, you will need to add the light rum, triple sec, lime juice, pineapple juice, orange juice, and dark rum into a cocktail shaker. Mix the ingredients well, then pour into a tall flared glass over ice. Pour a dash of grenadine, then garnish with a lime wedge and cherries before serving. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.